Yo, what is up, gang? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy, Back to the Money, man. Back with another video, back with the misfit shit, man. Y'all know what it is, man. How y'all like that new merch, man? Y'all like that? Yes, it will be going on sale, man. So y'all know what today is, man. It is Sunday, fun day for us. But we're not doing no cruise today, man. We're going to Ferrada's wheels and tires. I don't know if I said it right, but that's what we're gonna head to. And man, let me tell you, man, the last time we was at this meet was like super dope. So with that being said, man, this is Back to the Money, man. Y'all see them whips back there. Y'all see them whips. Y'all get some of this B-roll footage, man. We hot. Man, let me tell y'all people about this Ferrada wheels and tires meet. As y'all know, man, y'all go back to one of my 3 videos, probably even 4, 5 videos. Traction had a meet there, and we back at it again, man. Y'all know what it is, man. But it is not a traction meet today. It's a Ferrada wheels and tires meet, man. Y'all know what it is. Besides all that, man, I hope y'all having a great day, a blessed day, a Sunday fun day, man, and make this day positive. Woof. Man, those cars, man. Panda, Kenny, Rent Free, Spawn, Green Hornet. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man. Better be nice, man. It's fits to be nice. And also, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Let me get out the sun, man. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Like I'm telling you, man, I know you watching it right now, so go ahead and hit that like button. Hit that like button for your boy, and while you at it, if you ain't subscribed down there, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy too as well, man, because I'm telling you, man, we are going up for the rest of 2020 and all 21 and the rest of the years, man, because Misfit Mafia is doing big things. I want to say thank y'all for all the support, everything. Thank the ones that are hitting the subscribe button, and thank the ones that are hitting the like button, and also that's leaving a comment too as well, man. I really appreciate it. My boy Kenny done got his Misfit stickers. Man, welcome to the club, brother. Welcome to the club with that beautiful Charlie you got there, my brother. Man, that thing that nice, man. Also like those spikes on those things. Yeah, go ahead and let that camera zoom in. Now y'all can see it better. Whew, that thing nice, man. All right, people, we still here. Got one of the newest members of the Misfits. I got all his stuff right here. Got his merch and his stickers. So y'all know what I'm saying. Y'all go ahead and welcome the man. There you go, my brother.
Alright. Let me send that.
Hey, man, this one of the newest Misfit Mafia, man.
Look out.
Man, hey.
This brother hit us up.
Yeah.
Started a conversation, showed up to one of our meets, and then asked, hey, what I gotta do to be a Misfit? Hey, man, I'm in there, man. That's how you do it.
And then, I'm gonna tell y'all something else. I'm gonna take y'all around back to the car. I'm gonna tell y'all what he is. Hey, and that boy Eagles fan. That's what I'm talking about. Yes.
Hey, man.
Yes, sir. What you got to say, brother?
If I ain't know any better, man, I swear we was blood brothers. You be cutting me deep in the motherfucker when I can't fight back. I ain't got nothing.
Yes, I have them. But no, man, we about to get ready to get out of here and hit this meet now. Got the last member of the Misfit here, man. Want to say welcome, my brother. You in some Misfit shit. And we out.
Alright.
Yo, man, we just pulled up at the meet. Yo, this thing here is like sick. Like, check this out, man. But it's like people like everywhere. And of course, I still got my little one sleep, man. You got like cars like everywhere, man. Yo!
Hey, buddy, how are you?
What up, big dog? You good? Hey, there go my boy Randall, man. Matter of fact, man.
Hey, yeah. Hey, we live?
Yeah, we live, man. We live right now.
Hey, you got your spot right there. You got a crew with
man, you? I got the whole bro.
You're gonna have to go this way, go left, and all the overflow coming to the left right there.
All right, bet.
I get with you.
All right. Man. Man, I was just talking about my effects, man. My boy Randall done pulled up, man. But we out here. Man. So until I turn this camera back on, man, we gotta find us a parking spot, man.
A few moments later.
Man, now we out here about to get ready to walk around. I woke up sleepyhead. Bro, he finally woke up now. Hey man, y'all see this charger right here, man. Y'all make sure y'all gonna follow him, man. This Firefly right here, man. Y'all see that right there. Follow that Instagram, man. That Firefly Hemi, man. And that YouTube he got, man. Man, you got another 392 right there. Oh man. Look at this right here. It got roses and stuff. Huh? You like that? Then you also got this one right here, man. That chatter, that thing, that look nice with that green. Man. Okay. That Sublime Cat, man, 392. That thing nice. Say, man, by the time you wake up, though, man, you took a nap and all that. Ooh. Man, you got you another 392 Hemi right there, man. That Camaro look nice right there, that SS. Man, they got the lighting trends in there, man. Golly. There's a lot of cars here, son. I got my boy Big B. Hey man, y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to my boy channel, man. You gone, big dog?
Yeah. Bro, I'm hungry. I'm going to
Alright, have a good one, bro. This right here looks good, man. It's that Audi. Man, got you a Corvette right there. Ooh, look at that Acura, son. Boy, that thing nice. That's Sinclair Photos car over there. Okay, they revving up over there, man. Ooh, look at that thing jumping, son. Ooh. That boy got that thing right. He might want to move. Uh-oh. He dropped it. Uh-oh. Light the whip, big dog. And the street legends, man. All of them about to get ready to leave. Ooh, look at that one. That one nice. Right here. This one here nice right here. I follow him on Instagram at Hope-tonia, man. This thing here nice. Look, he got everything Hope in that thing. Look at that. He got the I just seen when he got those, man. Y'all make sure y'all go follow him, man, at Hope-tonia, man. This thing here nice. And he got smashed. Ooh, then he got the lights going. So, man, look at all that, son. Nah, tell you can do a lot to a car, man. That thing nice. Man, y'all make sure y'all go follow him, man. Hope-tonia, man. It's right there. Y'all see it. Oh, man, that boy got him a Chevy. That thing nice. Hey, man, but y'all know what this is, man. It's your boy Back to the Money. So we about to get on some of that good B-roll footage.
What B-roll footage?
You don't know what the B-roll footage is?
You talking about the little drone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, so y'all know
Get
this.
some drone footage. I'm gonna sit back in the car and stay out here.
So it's my boy Back to the Money, man. About to give you some of this good drone footage. Holla. Oh, okay. Got you a Mercedes right here. That's what you need. This thing here nice. Look at carbon fiber. Hashtag J is winning. That's nice, man. Here they go another one. Man, look at that Hellcat. Ooh. That thing nice. See, that's that Superman one right here. This one here dope. Yeah, this one here nice. We'll say he about to do a flip. You gonna see him do a flip? Yeah, we about to do a flip. So, there you go.
You're out of frame, dude. We're out of frame. Imagine hit the car. There you go. Fucking Power Ranger looking at.
Man, that thing that nice, that Cobra. Oh man, he got this GTR, nice with the camo. Like that camo, man. Like that. We got some more Mopars back there, man. Man, make sure you like, share, we're gonna do it. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe to this channel, man. I'm telling y'all, y'all hear that hunter back there, man. Go ahead and smash that like button and go ahead and smash that subscribe button for your boy, man. And let me know how y'all like that merch, man. It's that Misfit shit, y'all know. Back to the money, man. We open, we out. Son, what you think about the meet?
Yeah, it was good.
It was good. You slept most of the time.
No, sleep was good.
Yeah, I bet you won't do that no more, staying up, huh? Nah, man, y'all know what it is. People, I hope you enjoyed the great content that I gave y'all and brought y'all, man. Y'all know what this is. It's your boy Back to the Money, man. Back with another banger. Got my big head son right here. He slept most of the time. But hey, man, make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Like I'm telling y'all, man, it's free, man. I know y'all watching the channel right now. Probably ain't even hit the like button. So while you watching this right now, smash that like button and smash that subscribe button, man. We on the road to 500 subscribers. And like I told y'all, man, I'm doing a 500 subscriber giveaway, man. So as soon as I hit 500 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. So y'all, man, make sure y'all share this. All that, man. Tell your people, tell everybody, man. 500 subscriber giveaway. So when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. So yes, that's how we're gonna do it. As soon as I hit 500 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway, people. Why you looking at me like that, man? But
because I want to know what the giveaway is.
I can't even. You should be tuning in. You my son, so you should be tuning in.
I know, but I'm gonna really be tuned in on that day.
Okay, so
as soon as the video drops, I'm gonna be right there.
But I got to get 500 subscribers. I'm really like right now, like at 330. So yeah, I'm at 330. So you know what I'm saying. Tell your friends to subscribe too. Tell them to smash that like button too as well. But
I'm still gonna
back to the money, man. Say what?
I'm gonna get the giveaway as soon as you drop the video.
Okay.
I'll be right there.
All right.
Matter of fact, it depends on what day, cause I might just be over there too.
I feel you. But man, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe to the video, man. Ooh, it was hot out there. So
Nah, it really wasn't.
the Ferrada early rise car meet. You say what?
I said you just balled, that's all it is.
Yeah, okay, I'm just balling. So it is what it is, man. Back to the money. We over and we out.